Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and clearing peripherals so the console can reset cleanly. Unplug the Xbox power cable and any USB drives, then wait 10 to 20 seconds to drain residual power. This forces hardware to reinitialize. Next, disconnect the HDMI and power up your TV on the correct input. Later you'll reattach them. Once done, plug the power back in and try a soft power cycle. Press and hold the Xbox button for about 10 seconds, then release and restart to see if the green screen clears. If the soft restart didn't fix it, you need to get into the Xbox troubleshoot menu to repair system files. Hold the Xbox button and the eject button, or bind on S/all digital models, until you see the green startup animation and the menu appears. This bypasses the stuck boot path. From there, choose Reset this Xbox and pick Keep Games and Apps to preserve content while refreshing system software. If you cannot access the menu, prepare an offline system update on a USB stick and apply it to replace corrupted firmware. For a persistent green screen, perform the full reset only after confirming your saves are backed up to the cloud. This restores factory software and usually resolves deep corruption. Once reset completes, reattach HDMI and test with a different cable or TV to rule out display handshake issues. If the screen remains green, note any error codes or patterns and contact Xbox support for hardware repair. Having those details speeds diagnosis. Lastly, avoid repeated power cycling more than a few times to prevent wear on components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.